Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I showed how to block an email address in Gmail using any mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail account on your phone and now find that annoying emailer that keeps spamming you or just simply annoying you in your inbox. So for my case, it's your Indeed job feed. So you just simply click onto that annoying email. And then you got two sets of three vertical dots. You want to click on the lower one here, like so. And all what you need to do is click on block your Indeed job feed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And be careful this message. You blocked alert at indeed.com. That was spam in my inbox. And if you want to unblock it, you simply unblock it, unblock sender at a later date if you want to get emails back from that particular user. Alright, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.